Assalamu alaikum friends. First we have to open a new file path. The component from 2D to 3D. Just note all the dimensions as per the diagram. Select a plane which you want to sketch and make it to the normal view. First we have to draw the L-shaped structure. Just click OK. Go to the reference diagram. In the L-shaped structure we have a dimensions as 15 mm height, 30 mm length for the edge, 25 plus 5 mm. That's why we have a 30 mm of length of the edge. So go to the software and then we have to specify the corresponding all dimensions in the diagram. Specify the height at one end is 10 mm and other end is at 15 mm. And then after that we have to give the length of the line. So go to the small dimension and select a corresponding edge. Give the dimension as 30 mm with corresponding base 50 mm. Just click OK. Go to the reference diagram. We have to extrude the component for 55 mm. Exit the sketch. Go to the features. Select the extrude boss or base and select our corresponding sketch. Give the amount of thickness to be added here as per the diagram. Then click OK. We are creating a base part of the component. Go to the reference diagram. We have to create a one more top part of the component. So we have to draw the rectangular box structure here. So we have to draw the rectangle for a 25 cross 25. Go to the software. Before we are create a plane at the offset of 25 mm and then we have to select a face to create a new plane. Specify the offset distance for creating a new plane. We are specifying the 25 mm because the length of the rectangle is 25 mm here. Go to the reference diagram. Here we have to draw the rectangle at a height of 25 mm. So we have to draw the square for 25 cross 25 mm here. Go to the software and select a new plane and make it to the normal view for drawing the sketch. So go to the rectangle and draw it edge of the component, and then you have to specify the small dimension as a 25 mm cross 25 mm. Then click OK. Exit the sketch. Go to the features. You can hide the plane for a better visualization. Just select a plane, right click. Just select a hide component or hide plane. After that we are going to extrude the top part of the rectangle. So go to the features and select a rectangular boss or base with corresponding to our sketch. Now the rectangle is extruded. We can change the direction of extrusion. And then you have to specify the type of extrusion as a up to the next. While we selecting the up to the next, the rectangular extrusion is added up to the next material face. So we have finally created a component as per the diagram. Just click OK. You can apply the color for better aesthetic look of the component. You can select any of the color from the appearance toolbar. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video. Assalamu